everyone, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I'm going to teach you how to make an apple waffle in spite of all my kids and all the noise they're making. So I got the cinnamon cake mix here, and I'm just gonna dump that in, and you make it the regular way, like add 1 egg and 2 tablespoons cream. I ran out of cream, so I'm using half and half. You can use coconut milk, you can use whatever you want to use, but cream tastes better than anything else. So I'm just going to mix this up. And I'm going to pour it into my waffle maker, okay, as soon as it's done. And this is so good, guys. If you want something that's like, feels like you're cheating, but you're not cheating, even the carbs in it is not that much, even though we're adding a little bit of apple, okay? So you pour this. This is the kind of texture you want for a waffle maker, for making waffles. I'm gonna do that for 2.5 minutes. Now, when it's done, it looks like this. And then what I do is I take my cream cheese frosting, you've seen my videos, I add a little bit, just enough. I try to keep it as low calorie as possible too, so I add just enough where I get the taste, where I'm not depriving myself, okay? Then what I do, you really don't need a lot of apple, that's enough right there. You can just add that and sprinkle it on there so you get a little bit of apple in every bite. And then what I do is add a little bit of cinnamon sugar. I take my sweetie and I put it in a jar with a little bit of cinnamon, and I sprinkle it with cinnamon sugar. This sugar-free Mrs. Butterworth syrup is out of this world good. Now this isn't probably the healthiest thing, but it's only 20 calories and I'm only using about 1 tablespoon, which makes it 5 calories. And then a little bit of dollop of whipped cream, and you have an absolutely delicious cinnamon apple walnut waffle. And it's healthy, and you'll still lose weight eating it because it's such low calories. Thank you for watching. Visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com. God bless you.